This is how we install the best tire setup for hard enduro. Subscribe for more content like this. First, put in a half mousse. Why just a half? Because otherwise the rim with the tubliss won't fit. Then put the rim in the tire. To put the tire on easier, just spray it with some soapy water. Start on the opposite side of the rim lock, otherwise it's not possible. Then turn the rim and do the same thing. Then tighten the rim lock so that the tire can settle. Put some air in the tubliss and in the tire. That's it.